Rain, go away. My pain comes and goes away. No cap, I was Saturday till I saw my shawty face. I love riding with the case, now for sure I really spray. I love wearing tints and J's in case I just on a nigga. Bitch, you had me fucked up, thinking that you lucked up. She think that I wanna fuck, the one that get my dick sucked. You know what the fuck is up. I love pouring double cups. I'm down for a second chance, I wanna see what's up with us. This point don't believe in love, I'm starting to think that shit a scam. You said that he was your friend, how he turned into your man. Had a chance to murk his ass and dump his ass up in a can. We got hella stick and drums, bitch, I should join the marching band. I had to leave all that alone, I think of a bigger plan. Sit and plot my way to band, start some shit, start up a brand. I've been living life of sin, I want this to be real again. Really get under your skin, I just wanna feel again. Where you hated feel bad for you, I can't wear no cake no more. I thought you was genuine, I can't even save a hoe. Joker be my Harley Quinn, ride or die, let's take that road. Now you walking really thin, heart I carry really cold. Rain, go away. My pain comes and goes away. No cap, I was Saturday till I saw my shawty face. I love riding with the case, now for sure I really spray. I love wearing tints and J's in case I just on a nigga. Bitch, you had me fucked up, thinking that you lucked up. She think that I wanna fuck, the one that get my dick sucked. You know what the fuck is up. I love pouring double cups. I'm down for a second chance, I wanna see what's up with us. Ayy, say, I won't let you down. Uh-oh, I won't let you down. Ayy, ain't gon' lie, you really let me down. I just with that shit ain't never went down. I just be vibing, I thought you was different. Committed, I really just thought you was with it. Won't credit right after, I promise I hit it. Admitted, you still have feelings for the critics. I'm different, some people just said I was gifted. Persistence, each time that I beat at the kitten. I'm vicious, I beat it each time in the end. It's wicked, I'm all in the guts with no limit.